Today, I really want you to think about this situation I'm going to put you in. I want you to imagine that you have been paid $12,000 to be a speaker. The people that you're speaking to are feminine CEOs, and they want to hear from you. They are on the edge of burnout. You're ready with your offer. You're going to pitch them from the stage. I mean, they're paying you $10,000 to speak. So you're like, I can pitch my $25,000 mastermind to these women. I get their problem. They need my solution, and they've got the money to pay for it, right? Now imagine you're up on the stage, ready to talk to these women about burnout and having to figure it all out while running a family and maybe a household too. But the people who are sitting in the audience are not the feminine CEOs that you were waiting for. These women in your seats are actually elementary school teachers. Both groups of women are dealing with the same problem. But if you don't have the right butts in the seats when you're speaking to your audience, it's not going to land with them. I really want you to think about who are the asses in the seats when you are speaking. And are you thinking about that person when you're generating your content?